Good morning, everybody. All right, what do we have here? Yesterday, ES, after attempting to go lower early morning, I spent the whole day one time framing up, leaving some single prints in the 52 to 56 area. Then we kept one time framing up. In the afternoon session, we attempted to pull back a little bit, and then we had the Microsoft earnings, and we had a huge spike that took us all the way to 51.33ish into this low volume node resistance area. And then we just had PCI and other releases, and we had another spike that got sold. Now we're consolidating here, but we're still holding on the top of the spike. So that's one of the most bullish scenarios. I mean, of course, more bullish would be to trade completely above the spike, but this spike is so far is getting accepted. The settlement from yesterday is down here at 50.82. So we want to see how if prices accept at the top of the spike, or if we come down and retest this yesterday's settlement area. In the case that we move up and we get above yesterday's high and above the spike, I had a target of 51.49, but then here we have a lot of resistance. We have the 21 EMA, we have the 50 daily moving average, the 20 moving average, and all of that is in this area between between 58 and 64, and then right above it we have a lot of high positive delta. So the whole area until 51.72 is going to be resistance. If we are able to get above this, then we can squeeze high into the 51.90 area, where we have some single prints, and then we're so close to 5200, so that why not, right? Now if we the other scenario is that it's Friday, we can just accept prices here, balance here, and we're very close to that big level at the 20-day point of control of 5104. That in this area there's going to be a lot of back and forth and choppiness. Crude oil broke above the range. Remember I said 83.36 was a big level from which day? From this day right here, 83.36 right here, and then we broke above it. Now we're this area is it's a transition area, and the point of control above us is at 85.20. So that's my target if we keep moving higher. If we start pulling back and get below get inside this range again below 83.36, then I'm gonna be looking for a move back into 82.80 and then 82.30. That's where we had the point of control on yesterday's session. But so far it's looking pretty bullish. It looks like it wants to go back to the range above. We have the 20-day moving average around here. That's where we're stalling a little bit, but 85.20 is the target for me. Gold is finally moving into the area that I've been talking about for days. That's the wrong chart. Where is it? Give me a second. No. Here it is. So it's moving into the top of this range, right? We broke below, we couldn't hold prices below it, and now we're moving back inside this range. I'm looking for 75 here, and then if we break this above 80, then I'm looking for this point of control, the 20-day point of control at 23.98. Let's see what else. I think that's about it for today. Just watch how prices on ES react to the spike, if we stay in the spike or not. Okay, that's the main thing to watch for today. All right, have a good one, and have a great weekend.